Hi friends, good morning. This is Mahendra sir. Friend, again this question in 2017 SBI PO Mains. Friend, just take a screenshot then try to solve. Otherwise, I will give this question in your comment section or descriptive section as a link. Just download then try to solve. Friends, here again this question in 2017 SBI PO Mains. Friends, here they mention is what? There are 10 cells, number 1 to 10. They are arranged in 2 rows, one above the another. Leave. The cells 1 to 5 in row number 1 and rest in row number 2, which is above row number 1, which is means what? Row number 2 is above row number 1. The cells are arranged in increasing order of numbers given to them, like cell number 1 is placed on the extreme left of the row number 2. Yes, friends, here. Friends, here we are having row number 2. Now, this one is what? Here, row number 1. Friends, they only given row number 2 is above the row number 1. Now, they given is what? 1 to 5, self number 1 to 5 in row number 1, next 5 to 10 in row number 2, leave. Now the next one is what? Like the self number 1 is placed on the extreme left of row number 2. Self number 1 is placed extreme left of row number 2. Next, then self number 2 is and so on. That means next one is 2, next 3, next one is 4, next one is what? Here 5. Next, similarly, the self number 6 is placed on the extreme left of row number 2. Next, self number 2, see here. Similarly, the self number 6 is placed on the extreme left of row number 2. Next, and so on. That means this one is what? 7. Next, 8. This one is what? 9. This one is what? Here, 10. Leave. Now, each self contains certain number of glass slabs and photo frames. Leave it. There is at least one glass slab in each self. Yes, friends, here. Friends, each self contains certain number of glass slabs, certain number of photo frames. See here. Each self contains certain number of glass slabs, certain number of photo frames. Now, each self contains, there is at least one glass slab. That means each self we are having at least one glass slab. Leave it. Length of the each glass slab is 15 centimeters. See here. Length of the glass slab is 15 centimeter. Next point is length of the photo frame. See here. That of each photo frame is what? 6 centimeter. Length of the glass slab is 15 centimeter and photo frame's length is what? 6 centimeter. Yes, leave it. Now friends, take your first point. See here. Self number 3 has a length 33 centimeter. Now take here. Self number 3 length has a 33 centimeter. Yes. Friends, 33 centimeter means, see here. Our requirement is what? Each self we are having minimum one glass slab. If I will take one, suppose 33 centimeter, suppose take 2 glass slab. 2 glass slab means 13 into 30. See here, 15 into 2, the total is what? 30. But remaining is what? 3 centimeter. Here I am not able to fix photo frame. See here, 33 centimeter means our requirement is each self contains at least one glass slab. If I will take 2 glass slab means each glass slab length is 15. 2 glass slab means 30. But here remaining 3 centimeter we are not able to fix photo frame means now take only one glass slab. One glass slab length is what? 15 centimeter. Out of 33, 15 is complete means remaining is what? 18 centimeter. 18 means we are able to fix 3 photo frame. That means self number 3 contains 1 glass slabs and 3 photo frames. Leave it. Now leave it. Next point is one. There is one self between self number 3 and yellow self. Now friends, here. Self number 3, one self, yellow chance. Self number 3, one self, yellow chance. That means there is chance to get 2 possibilities. Now take friends one more possibility. 1, 2, next 3, next 4, next 5, row number 1. Next 6, next 7, next 8, next 9, next one is what? 10 in row number 2. Now, self number 3 length is what? 33 centimeter. We are able to fix 1 glass slabs and we are able to fix 3 photo frames. Now, the again point is what? There is one self between self number 3 and yellow self. See here, self number 3, one cell, this one is what? Yellow chance. Otherwise, now self number 3, one cell, this one is what? Yellow chance. Yes, leave it. Next point. Next point. See here. The yellow self contains 1 glass slabs and 6 photo frames more than that in self number 3. See here. Yellow self contains 1 glass slabs and 6 photo frames more than that in self number 3. Self number 3 having 1 glass slab. That means here we are having 2 glass slabs. 6 photo frames more. That means here we are having 3 photo frames means here we are having 9 photo frames. Yes. Now here also yellow self contains 1 glass slab more than that in self number 3 and 6 photo frames more. That means here we are having 9 photo frames. Yes. Leave it. Next. Go for next point. Friends, here. The silver self is just above the yellow self. See here, this one is what? Yellow self. Now this one is what? Silver self. The silver self is just above the yellow self. Here also see here yellow this one. Then this one is what? Silver. The silver self is just above the yellow self. Yes, leave it. Next point is what? The silver self contains same number of glass slabs as yellow self. See here, silver self contains same number of glass slabs as yellow self. Yellow self contains 2 glass slabs. That means here silver self also contains 2 glass slabs. Here also silver self contains same number of glass slabs as yellow. Yellow contains 2 glass slabs. Here also we are having 2 glass slabs. Yes, see here. The silver self contains same number of glass slabs as yellow cells and 1 photo frame. Yes, here we are having 1 photo frame. Next, here also here we are having 1 photo frame. Yes, leave it. Next point. Next point is what? There are 2 cells between silver and green. Now silver 1, 2. This one is what? Green self. Now here also silver 1, 2. This one is what? Here green self. Yes, leave it. Now next point is what? Friends, here 2 cells between silver and green self. Leave it. Next point. The length of the green self is see here. The length of the green self is 3 cm more than length of the silver self. See here. Length of green self is 3 cm greater than length of the silver self. Silver self length is what? 2 glass slab means what? Total is what? Here 30. 1 photo frame means total is what? 36. Then length of the green self is, they mention the length of the green self is 3 cm more than. That means here 36, 3 cm more means what? 39 cm. 39 means if I will take here 2 glass slab, 30. Remaining is what? Photo frame 9 cm. It's not possible. Then take only 1 glass slab. Out of 39, here 15 coming means remaining is what? 24. That means here we are able to fix 4 photo frames. Why means each photo frame length is what? 6 cm means 6 into here 4 total is what? 24. Now 15 plus 24, 39. Yes, that means here also green self contains 1 glass slabs and 4 photo frames. Yes, leave it. Next point is what? Friends, check here. The blue self is immediately next in number to green self. The blue self is immediately next in number to green self. Green self 9. Next in number means what? Then this one is what? 10. Next, see here. The blue self is immediately next in number to green. Now this one is what? 7 is green. Now blue is what? Here 8. Blue self is immediately next in number to green self. Yes, leave it. Next point. The blue self contains, see here, the blue self contains 1. Next point, see here. The blue self contains 1 glass slab more than that in silver self. Blue self contains 1 glass slab more than that in silver self. See here. Friends, check here. The given is what? See here. The blue self contains 1 glass slab more than that in silver self. Silver self contains 2 glass slab. Now blue self contains here 3 glass slabs. Next, and 1. See here. The blue self contains 1 glass slab more than that in silver self and 1 photo frame less than that in green self. Green self contains 4 photo frame. That means here we are having 3 photo frames. See here. Friends, here the again condition is what? The blue self contains 1 glass slab more than that in silver self and 1 photo frame less than that in green self. That means here blue self contains, see here, 3 glass slabs and 3 photo frames. Yes, leave it. Next point. There is 1 cell between blue and orange. Now friends, here blue 1 cell, this one is what? Orange. There is 1 cell between blue and orange. Now in this case, blue 1 self, orange no chance. Now blue 1 cell, this one is what? Orange self. Yes, leave it. Next point. There is 1 cell between white and red. Leave. Next, see here, the white self is just below the orange self. Orange is one. Then the one is what? White. The white self is just below the orange. Here also the white self is, now this one is what? White. The white self is just below the orange self. Yes. Now the again one is what? There is 1 cell between white and red. See here. White 1 self, red no chance. This one is what? Yellow. Now white 1 cell, this one is what? Here red. Next, in this case, white 1 cell, this one is what? Here red. Yes. There is 1 cell between white and red. Yes, friends, check here. There is 1 cell between white and red self. Yes, friends, check here. Friends, by using now 1 point, I will eliminate the second possibility. See here. Friends, they give 1 clue point is what? See here. The red self has, see here, the red self has greater than or equal to 4 glass slabs. Friends, check here. In second possibility, red self contains only 1 glass slab. But our requirement is what? The red self has greater than or equal to 4 glass slab. That means here second possibility, no chance. That means here we are having only first possibility. In first possibility, we don't know about red self. Yes, leave it. Now, friends, take next point. The black self is in row number 2. Yes, friends, check it. Now, this one is what? Here, black. Black self is in row number 2. Leave it. Next point. Black self is row number 2. The pink self is just below the black. Now, this one is black. Now, this one is what? Pink. Friends, check it. The pink self is just below the black. Now next point is what? Friends, check here. The pink self is just below the black self. Next point is what? The black self has same number of photo frames. See here, the black self has same number of photo frames and glass slab. Yes, friends, here black self contains same number of glass slabs and same number of photo frames. Leave it. Next point. Next, see here, the orange self has one glass slab more than that in black self. Friends, orange self has one glass slab. See here, orange self. Friends, take here, orange self. See here, the next one is what? The orange self has one glass slab more than that in black self. Yes, friends, here one glass slab more than that in black self. Friends, here the next one is what? The orange self has one glass slab more than that in black self. That means, friends, here orange self equal to one glass slab more than that in black self. Leave it. Next point. The length of the orange self is 24 cm more than length of the pink self. Yes, friends, check here. They given length of the orange self is 24 cm more than length of the pink self. Yes, leave it. Next point. The length of the violet self is half of the length of the yellow self. See here. Now, friends, check here. Remaining self. See here. Yellow completed, pink completed, white completed, red completed, silver, black, orange, green. Next blue. Remaining is what? Violet. Now this one is what? Violet self. Now the again condition is what? Length of the violet self is half of the length of the yellow self. Friends, see here, yellow self length. Yellow self having 2 glass slab. 2 glass slab means what? Here 30. 9 photo frame. Each photo frame length is what? Here 6. 9 into 6 means here total is what? Here 54. That means this one is what? 84. 84 means now the given one is what? Length of the violet self is half of the length of the yellow self. Now 84 by 2. 84 by 2 means here this one is what? Here 42. So 42 means here we are able to fix 2 glass slabs and we are able to fix 2 photo frames. Yes, friends, check here. Friends, here. Length of the violet self is half of the length of the yellow self. Yellow self length is what? Yellow self contains 2 glass slabs, 9 photo frames. 1 glass slab length is 15, 2 glass slab means 30. 1 photo frame length is 6 cm. 9 means here 9 into 6 is what? Here 54. 54 plus 30 total is what? 84. But the maximum one is what? Length of the violet self is half of the length of the yellow self. Now 84 by 2 means here this one is what? Here this one is 42. 42 means we are able to fix 2 glass slab. 30. 2 photo frame is what? 12. Total is what? Here 42. Yes, leave it. Next point. Friends, here the red self has greater than or equal to 4 glass slab. Yes, leave it. The length of the pink self is 6 cm less than the self immediately next in number. See here. Length of the pink self is 6 cm less than the self immediately next in number. See here. Pink self immediately next in number is what? 33 cm. Now, length of the pink self is 6 cm less than that of self immediately next in number. That means length of the pink self this one is what? Here 27 cm. Why means length of the pink self is 6 cm less than the self immediately next in number. Next number means what? White self. White self having 33 cm. 6 cm less than. 6 cm less than means one is what? 27 cm. 27 means we are able to fix 1 glass slabs. We are able to fix 2 photo frame. 1 glass slab is 15. 2 photo frames is what? Here 12. Total is what? Here 27. Leave it. Next point. Friends, see here. The length of the row number 1 is what? 267 cm. Yes, friends, check here. Length of the row number 1 is what? 267 cm. Next, length of the row number 2 is what? Here 249 cm. Yes, friends, check here. Length of the row number 2 is what? 249 cm. Yes, now calculate. Friends, here yellow self length is what? Here 84. Pink self length is what? 27. White self is what? Here 33. Violet 2 glass slab, 2 photo frame. 30 plus 12. Total is what? Here 42. Now count total here. Total is what? 10. Total is what? 16. Now 8, 10. Total is what? 186. but here they given is what? Length of the row number 1 is what? 267 centimeter. Now 267 minus 186, that means this one is what? Here 1, then this one is what? 81 centimeter. Length of the itself is what? 81 centimeter. 81 centimeter means we are able to fix 5 glass slab. 5 glass slab means what? 5 into 15 total is what? 75. Remaining is what? 1 photo frame. Yes. Friends, our condition is what? The red shelf has greater than or equal to 4 glass slab. Yes, here we are having 5 glass slab. Yes, leave it. Next, friends, come to row number 2. Row number 2, silver shelf length is what? 2 glass slab, 1 photo frame is total is what? Here 36 centimeter. Total is what? Here 36 centimeter. Next, black shelf. Friends, check here. Now come to this one. Friends, check here. Orange shelf contains 1 glass slab more than 13 black shelf. Length of the orange shelf is, see here, length of the orange shelf is 24 centimeter more than length of the pink shelf. Now, length of the pink shelf is what? 27. That means length of the orange shelf is what? 24 plus 27. Total is what? 51. So, length of the orange shelf is what? 51 centimeters. See here, 51 centimeter. 51 centimeter means, now, suppose friends check here, 3 glass slab. 3 glass slab means total is what? 45. Now, remaining is what? Here 1 photo frame. 1 photo frame means total is what? Here 51. Yes. That means friends here orange shelf contains 3 glass slabs and 1 photo frame. Now our requirement is what? Black shelf contains equal number of glass slabs and equal number of photo frames. But the number of glass slabs in orange shelf is 1 more than black shelf. Now orange shelf contains 3 glass slabs. Then black shelf contains only 2 glass slabs. Why means? The number of glass slabs in orange shelf is 1 more than that of black. Orange shelf contains 3 means now black shelf contains only 2. Why means number of glass slabs in orange shelf is 1 more than that in black shelf. That means black shelf contains 2 glass slabs and 2 photo frames. Yes. That means now friends check here. Silver shelf length is what? 36 centimeter. Now black shelf length is what? 2 glass slab, 2 photo frame. 30 plus 12. Total is what? Here 42. Next one, orange shelf length is what? 51 centimeter. Green shelf length is what? Here 39 centimeter. Blue shelf 3 glass slab. See here 3 into 15 total is what? Here 45. Next 3 photo frame 3 into 6 total is what? 6 total is what? 18. That means this one is what? Here 3 total is what? 63. Yes. Now friends check here 10. Next 15 21. Yes. Next 7. Next one is what? 10 15. Next one is for 21, 23, yes, 231 centimeter. Yes, that means length of the row number 2 is for 231 centimeter. But in the given information, they given length of the row number 2 is for 249 centimeter. So friends, maybe we are going to feel arrangement is wrong, but arrangement is correct. And how means? Why we are going to feel arrangement is wrong means they given row number 2 length is 249, but we got only 231. Now see the question: how many more photo frames can the row number 2 adjust? That means can means what? There is chance to adjust. So after satisfying all conditions, how many photo frames we are able to adjust in row number 2? Length of the row number 2 is what? 249 centimeter. But exact length is what? 231. That means here 249. See here 249 minus 231. This one is what? Here 18. 18 means how many photo frames we are able to adjust? Total we are able to adjust 3 photo frames. Why means each photo frame length is what? 6 centimeter means we are able to adjust 3 photo frames. Yes, that means here answer is what? Option C. Yes. So friends, this is the complete arrangement. So friends, like this they give total 5 questions in 2017 SBI PO Mains. Friends, question is little bit lengthy, but arrangement is too easy. Once try to solve. If anyone having doubt me, just give your comment in comment section. Once again, I will give brief explanation. Okay friends, thanks for today.